The Quran is the primary scripture of Islam, but it's also the earliest source that we have. There's a debate in the Quranic studies community, but increasingly the pendulum, and I'm talking about Western scholars, has swung in the direction saying that the Quran solidified as a text very early on. So that's one of the reasons that we would use this text to understand the earliest moment of Islamic history. In that sense, the Quran can be considered a quasi-historical text. We can also view the Quran as an object of intellectual history. Here's a very good verse in the Quran in which we see this concept of hilm, and it's juxtaposed to what's a jahil. The servants of the compassionate are those who walk humbly on this earth, and when the jahils address them with words of abuse, they say peace. Now, if you look at a translation of the Quran, they'll often translate the jahil as ignorant or ignoramus, which is true, they are ignorant. That is part of being jahil. But it's really about this kind of vulgarity, this harshness, abuse, and that's being coupled or compared to the servants of God who are humble and slow to anger. This is actually something surprising for many people who think of Islam as this strict justice, that an eye for an eye religion, that unlike Christianity, which has this turn the other cheek, Islam has this kind of eye for an eye mentality. That is completely not Quranic, at least. You know, if you build your own idol and you have multiple idols, it kind of spreads out that belief. You can take one God one week and another God another week, and if one God doesn't give what you want, you can go to another God. This created this element of kind of a lukewarm belief.